How to set up vouchers in Proffis. Select Merchant. Select the company name. Go to Business landing page. Select the voucher icon. Select Add Voucher. Select Photo to add image of voucher design. Merchants can input the promo tagline as the voucher name. The Voucher Quantity section allows merchants to specify the quantity of vouchers to be issued. The Voucher Value section allows merchants to specify the total amount of discount redeemable by users. The Validity Period section allows merchants to specify the start date and end date of each voucher. The Usage Limit for each user section allows merchants to specify the maximum number of vouchers that may be redeemed by each user. The Minimum Spend section allows merchants to specify the minimum spend per order required to redeem the voucher. The Description section allows merchants to input relevant voucher information. Example of voucher details in the Description section: 1. Maximum of 1 unit per order. 2. This voucher is not applicable for the purchase of more than 1 unit. Categories, which were preset in the product, will be displayed here as selection options. Highlight the relevant option for the voucher. Merchants may add hashtags to enable users to search for their products or services more easily in this section. The Voucher Listing section enables merchants to share, add, update, delete, activate and deactivate vouchers at any time. All created vouchers will be labeled and displayed as not active by default. Merchants may tap the Not Active to activate it. Once activated, the voucher status will display active. Merchants may toggle the button to temporarily pause the voucher promo. Once paused, the voucher status will display paused. Merchants may toggle the button to activate the voucher promo again or press delete icon to delete the voucher.